Hello, this is Mr. Crowder here to give you a couple of key tips on online school this year. So most teachers are going to use audio-visual conferencing programs where they're going to expect you to be in either Google Hangouts / Meets or Schoology Conferences. Here are some general guidelines for video conferencing. Make sure you're sitting at a table and not laying down. Always wear school-appropriate clothing. And resist the temptation to pull others off task. Many of our teachers may choose to mute you or stop your video. So just like in class, you're expected to have appropriate behavior. And if not, you still get consequences. Also, make sure to minimize any background noise. So make sure your door is closed. If you find yourself conferencing in loud situations, then just mute yourself. And if you need to say something, choose the chat window. You'll probably be joining plenty of Google Meets or Google Hangouts. Those are the two names for the same thing. This is a go-to link you can use to get into your scheduled meetings. When you first open Google Meets, you get a welcome screen like this. Just click on the upcoming meeting and you're in. For Schoology conferences, go to the left side of the class that you happen to be in. Then choose the conference icon and join. If you click on the little icon on the top left, then you get some choices like these. Here's how the chat window works. Now don't forget that this is not social media, so only ask serious questions. This is where notes can be shared. Also below the chat window and shared notes, you'll see your user settings. If you click on your own icon and hold it, you'll get these user settings where you can raise your hand as one of these little emoticons. You can also mute yourself. Remember to always join first with mute selected. Then after you speak, remute. There's also a little shared drawing board that some of your teachers may use, and they might even select it for you to be able to draw on it. If so, be appropriate.